issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Camp Aquilio Scout Camp, or near Howard's Grove, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Howard's Grove, Elkhart Lake, Greenbush, Glenboyla, Haven, and Johnsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.